Before you download another flashy shopping app promising fun content and easy money, let's take a closer look at Flip, the community-based social shopping app that's generating a lot of buzz lately. People are calling it a mix between TikTok and Amazon, where everyday users post short, honest video reviews of products they've tried, whether they loved them or thought they were a total waste of money. Sounds interesting, right? But with so many apps out there overhyping what they deliver, you've got to wonder, is Flip actually legit, or is it just another scam disguised in social media hype? I decided to test it out myself. I signed up, explored all the features, watched tons of user reviews, posted a few videos, and even waited to see if the money they promise really comes through. Let me tell you, this app is definitely not fake, but it's also not as easy and exciting as it looks in the promos. On the positive side, it's available on both the Google Play and Apple App Stores, which is always a good sign when it comes to legitimacy. Flip has been around since 2014, which gives it some history and credibility, and they even offer real contact support if you run into issues. Their social media accounts are active too, and you can see actual users sharing experiences. It's not some faceless company trying to stay hidden. However, despite all that, using the app doesn't guarantee quick success. Earning money here is slow and requires a lot of effort. You'll need to post high-quality, engaging reviews regularly to start gaining traction. And unlike TikTok, where content can go viral overnight, Flip feels more niche and slower-paced. And the content isn't always that entertaining. It leans more toward straightforward product opinions than creative expression. Payouts also take a few days to process, so don't expect instant rewards. Overall, Flip isn't a scam, but it's definitely not a magical money-making app either. It's legit in terms of being a real platform with real users and support, but whether it's worth your time really depends on your patience, consistency, and what you're expecting to get out of it. If you're looking for a side hustle that pays off quickly, this probably isn't it, but if you're okay with building slowly and genuinely like reviewing products, then Flip might be worth exploring.